Hey guys, this is David. Sorry about last week. I was meant to put this video up a little bit sooner, but I was one of those statistics that had the flu, so I'm going to give you guys until Friday to hand in the type project, okay? So, in order to get this done, what we can do is what you guys should do is find a place to get some fonts, and a good one is dafonts.com. Okay. Now this project isn't really all that hard. You could, get to it fairly quickly. If DA Fonts will come up. Oh, DA Font. I'm sorry, guys. So dafont.com. And what you're going to do is you can find a lot of really cool fonts around here, and you'll see that, let's do like fancy. You're going to find a font that, when looking at the picture itself, so, oh, it's fancy. So, you can come down here and look, hey, look, fancy. You can come here and do like old school, okay? And, that's some of this, and I don't really consider that all that fancy. You can come down here to stencil or typewriter, come down here to like calligraphy, and you find all these really kind of cool fonts. So this would be kind of a neat one here. So you can come over, and it's kind of off the page here, but you can click over here. It says download, and go ahead and save it to your desktop. If you want to just save it to there, okay. And that downloads the font, okay. And then you can go through and you can find some other ones. You should be able to find. I mean, there's like 100,000 fonts on this site, and once you have that, okay, you'll see that it downloads to this little zip file right here, and you'll have to open this up. Yeah, okay, and you'll see it. Okay, you have to unzip the file and then drag this to the desktop, okay, and then you have to install this font into your system folder. Okay, now some of you guys might have computers that will right click, and there might be an option here to install. Mine doesn't have that. But what you can do is go to your computer, okay, and you go to the hard drive, and you come down under Windows, okay, and there's a little folder here called Fonts, and look at all your nice little fonts, okay. So you'd find the little font that you downloaded, and you would install it. Yay, there it is, okay. So now that's installed into your system, okay. Now fonts, guys, they don't magically go with you different places. You'll notice that I had to install that onto the hard drive of my computer. So it's in a system folder. Now if you were to give me a Microsoft Word document that had this font, when I open it up and it's a font I don't have on my computer, it's not going to look the same. Okay? So you can choose an application. If you have Photoshop or anything like that, you can do it in Photoshop and send it to me as a PDF, okay? So I don't know if you guys have a little PDF button in Microsoft Word, okay? But then you can type out, fancy, okay? And you look and say, okay, it was chops. So I go back into this, I highlight it, okay? And I look down at my fonts that are installed. Okay, and I come down here, and we should find the one that says, oh, there's a nice little one right there. Okay, and find the font that you installed. Sometimes it's at the very bottom. Okay, but go ahead and this is that Chops one, and you can see, ooh, nice fancy font. You can make it like 18 points so you can see it. Make it like 26 point. Okay. So that's what you do, and then you convert it into a PDF, okay? And you should have some save as options, okay? So just send those to me. All else fails, you can do a screen capture and send it to me as a JPEG, okay? Like I said, I'll give you guys till this Friday to get it to me, since I was sick all last week. So if you have any questions, just email me. Thanks.